Today we have a 2003 Toyota Highlander. We'll be replacing the receiver dryer, also known as the AC dryer. Now that we're under the vehicle, we'll see where the dryer is located, which is right here. So to replace the dryer on this vehicle, we're gonna need a number 10 Allen. And on the driver's side of the condenser here, we're gonna use a number 10 and remove this on the bottom and get the old dryer out, get ready to replace the new one. All right, so once you remove that little cap with that 10 Allen, we're gonna use a pair of needle nose pliers, reach inside and pull the dryer out. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in. First, I'm gonna flush the system out, so I just replaced the compressor. So I'm gonna go ahead and flush the system out, put the cap back on, flush it out. So now I've flushed the system out and took the plug back out. We have our new dryer here. We're just gonna place it in there, just pretty much shove it in. It's pretty much just shove it in like so. And then we'll have a new cap. Placing it, hold on just one second. So we'll have the new cap put in there, which does not have the filter on it like the old one does. So we're gonna place this on top of the cap and then screw it in. So when we put it in, it's gonna be just like so. Pretty much the same height as the old one, except the filter is not built in like the old one is. So we're just gonna place it in, screw it in, and we'll be done. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.